Up-to-date assessments put the financial loss to the agricultural sector at $29.5 billion. The hurricane's wrath spared little in our agricultural sector. In relation to domestic crops, we lost about 32,400 hectares of our vegetable lines, amounting to an estimated $8 billion in loss, affecting 47,500 farmers. The crops that were most significantly impacted include sweet pepper, tomato, lettuce, cabbage, carrot, and vine crops like melon and cantaloupe also suffered a significant blow.
Well, you've heard from the minister, and this week we're back in Coronation Market to hear from the vendors and the consumers about the prices and what they're putting in their market bags.
I normally buy like £3 or £2. Now I just buy £1 because that's what I can afford.
And what are you buying this week?
Pretty much everything, a little of everything. You know, we have to take it small, so rather than you getting 2 slices a yam, you get 1 this week. Yes. So we have to cut back and just to let it work. Yes.
Any one of the crops you see like a really high increase in since shopping?
Well, the tomato, because normally, you know, tomatoes would be like $100 or so, but now it's $400 and $500.
But you say you're buying to yourself.
Sell back, right.
How you're faring off with that?
Not too well, you know, because when you buy it, when you give them back a price, it come like you wicked. Understand me? Some people know, you know, but them still make it look how we like $500 a pound. Understand me? So it's really it's hard, but we have to still buy it. So we have to eat.
You seeing it getting any better anytime soon?
No.
I say $5 is a pound at the regular price and a storm price. It's going to worse the next 2 weeks, it come down to Christmas. People still shop, but them not buy the amount where they normally buy. They just work with the amount where they can afford. As we say, we don't have much to sell them neither, so we just have to work with the sale we get. It's not like we just get up and raise the price. Most of the farmer crop, like half of them lose. So the few where them have them raise the price, try to catch back something off of it.
What up on SFP tomato?
400.
They might buy it, they might complain, say higher.
Yeah, you have people buying it now because there is not a lot here. So you have while some people complain, yes, but they're still buying it.
What about your supply? You could have get it?
Not really. You have to hunt for this one. Especially to how it look, the looks of it. Just to make a living, you have to just do what we have to do.
So you see the price is going higher?
The price was before the hurricane, so not really.
What about the Christmas? I know people really dread the Christmas, so they can't come in here and buy nothing.
Well, I am fretting about the Christmas too. Yeah, because being that you have some people who don't come in here and buy, so I don't really see a Christmas here for now.
Well, this week on Market Bag, consumers and vendors are saying the prices are too high, and they're predicting that the Christmas is going to be even worse.